Alright, so here's the deal. The truck has been acting up, charging system somehow, we don't know. Okay, because we don't have any tools here. So we can go down the road, and all of a sudden the ABS light comes on, then the gauge is all shut down, then the truck shuts down, and leaves you stranded. So we've been getting that generator that you see up there out, and we would start charging the vehicle. You know, just like that. Not like this, but, you know, on the ground. And then we'd only be able to go another few miles, so it's like, this is getting ridiculous. We need a more permanent solution. It's 4th of July weekend. Very few things open, plus whatever is open, pay an arm and a leg. So good old Genovese, DeVore, Genovese ingenuity. That would be Genovese, and DeVore. Or DeVore, Genovese, depending on who wants all the credit. Anyway, here's our trick. We're putting the generator up on the roof. Then we also have the battery charger on the roof. Shannon, too, will stay on the roof. Well, maybe not. We've got the cords, the power coming out, which Al is now taping together, through a pair of jumper cables down under the front of the truck, and then in to the battery. Okay? So, we're just hoping, oh, by the way, we're pulling a trailer too, just to make things more fun. So we're hoping that this is going to stay. Our first blush is probably going to stay. Second thoughts are, I hope that damn generator doesn't come off the roof and crash into my new trailer.
Or nothing good can come of that.
Yeah. Now we're hoping and thinking that we got to have some kind of good luck, because up to this point, you know, this truck has like let us down. Bunches and bunches of time. By the way, anybody wants to buy a truck, I will soon have one for sale.
And hey, Dad, how far away from home are we?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, actually, this is only the first of 3 or 4 different things that has happened this weekend. One, fairly early on, we get a call from the sister-in-law who is watching the house. Hi, Marianne. She says all of the toilets are backed up. So she's going to the bathroom outside. I love my sister-in-law. She's the best. Then we get a call while we're out to breakfast. We just had left camp. Your awnings blew over in a windstorm. One of them's broken. The other one we're taking down. Thank you, Walmart. What else happened so far this weekend? Oh, yeah. Al and Debbie lost a pile of things. Now, I might point out, by the way, that this is a, 3-day camping trip? Now, I don't know. We do tend to overpack just a little bit. And this wouldn't be so bad if we were done. But as you walk back here and you take a look inside the trailer, we've got more stuff in here. And oh yeah, the motorcycles. So, this has been one very exciting trip. We will be glad to get home in one piece. I will be very, very glad to get home with that generator still on the roof. Yes, it will be running shortly.
We have how many more hours to go?
Oh, yes, and we are, well, what would normally be 5 hours away, we're probably 7 with this rig. And there's really no 100% sure way of knowing that this is actually going to work, but we're 98%.
Plus, when we get home, we're gonna modify it for high speed.
Yeah, more duct tape is what that really means. But this was very expensive duct tape because we had to buy it at a marina. So,
Not sure.
well, we didn't buy it at a marina?
They gave it to him.
Really?
So thank you to the marina.
Debbie, you know why. That's what I'm saying, girl. Thank you, God. Alrighty. No doubt there will be more to come.